Hey, YouTube. It has been a while. Been a long while. Haven't been making a lot of videos lately, but I got one here for you. In my opinion, is very important. It's a very important time that we are in within the Bitcoin community, within the Bitcoin bull run, within after the Bitcoin halving, within the cycle that brings. So, with that being said, in this video, I'm going to show you a correlation this many videos ago, I did this one about gold. Gold's next move, right? And I show what I'm about to go over again right now before I show you Bitcoin. They are moving very similar. Bitcoin is doing exactly what gold did, not exactly, but almost exactly what gold did before it made this huge run up, literally from $2,032 to 2442 in like 90 days. It was under 100 days for sure. But let's get right into it. I'll show you the correlation. All right. Now first I want you to see we've got these highs within the market, okay? And that's when I made the video was when we finally came over and we broke. We broke these little bubbles with this high here. And that is when I made the move. I said the move is about to come. And then we saw the way it stair stepped. But that being said, let's erase those. So the zone, high, and we'll just go there. Okay. Resistance, 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 resistance. And then we completely skyrocketed out. Okay. Price came down hard. Stair step, hard. Stair step. And what it did was these previous highs. See these ones that all line up? All of those actually a zone in themselves as well. And what did price do? When price came back after I made that video, price literally came back down, weaseled its way back down to the zone, okay, and then skyrocketed out of there. All right, and let's measure that move. It was exactly 96 days. That is a huge move in gold. 96 short days. Anyway, let's go along to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on a smaller time frame. I'm not sure if you guys can see the similarities. I will scale them together at the end. Let's see here. All right, again with the bubbles. High, high. It's a lower high, but high, high. Okay, these are all zones. Same zone. Boom, boom. Okay, now price, every time it gets there, it gets a nice little resistance. Right? Resistance, run down. Resistance, run down. Resistance, huge run down. Okay, we've tapped it again. We have tapped it again. And the more times a zone gets tested, or the more longer that price sits in an area, the weaker that zone becomes. So we now have one, two, three, four, five taps, right? Now, underneath that, here's that gray zone again that I'm talking about. It's right here, you guys. Look at that. Okay. It's come down. Okay. 64. I really think it's going to be 64 to 65,000, which is more like that level here. It already tapped it, as you can see. So it may just come down in here before the continuation to the upside. Now, I know that may not look exact to you, and I keep messing up here. Pressure. That's why. We've got boom, boom. You guys see the similarities? Do we see the similarities? Let's map it out. Here's the resistance that needs to be broken. Here was the resistance that needed to be broken. The only thing we are missing is one more push down, I believe, to the $64,000 level before we break and make an all-time high, just as we did here with gold. I hope this video did you guys some good. If not, watch it over a couple of times. Very similar patterns that we have going on here. It's a very exciting time in crypto. I've been here 4 years now. I caught the tail end of the bull market. I've been here the entire bear market. It's very exciting to see all of this stuff play out, all of the correlations, all of the same moves within different markets. All of this stuff goes back to one thing, and it's technical analysis. Is a very beautiful skill set to learn. I encourage anybody and everybody to learn this skill set where it takes time, yes, but once you see it, you can never unsee it. You'll be able to make money for the rest of your days. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed night and have a wonderful week.